Shall we continue our portion? Yes. In the last class, we have completed half of the portion. Yes. From the lesson human body, nervous system and sense organs. We have completed half of the portion. Yes. Let's revise that portion now. What is the meaning of nervous system? Nervous system is the control system of our body. Nervous system is the control system of our body. In our whole body, we have different types of systems. What are the systems? Digestive system, muscular system, skeletal system, nervous system, excretory system. Yes, we have different types. Already we have learned skeletal system and muscular system. Now, nervous system. Yes, nervous system consists of three parts. What are the three parts? Do you remember? The brain, spinal cord and nerves. Yes? Yes. Brain, spinal cord and nerves. Yes? Listen, nervous system is the control system of our body. Yes? What are the sense organs? 5 sense organs are there in our body. What are they? Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Yes? Do you remember? Okay. First part is brain. Yes? Brain is the control center of our body. Totally the nervous system is the control system of our body. From there, brain is very important part. Okay. It is the main control center of our body. Brain is the control center of our body. It is protected by skull. Already we have learned about skull. Yes, do you remember that is the bone? Yes. So the brain is protected by skull. Yes. It has 3 parts. What are the 3 parts? Cerebrum, cerebellum and brainstem. Yes. Cerebrum, cerebellum and brainstem. Yes. Yes, this is the cerebrum is the largest part of in our brain. Okay. It is collected all the informations from the sense organs and sent to the brain. Okay. About thinking and learning, memory. Okay. It is controls our thinking, learning and memory. And also cerebellum is the creative mind. Okay, it is the creative movement of our body. Always when we have to get new idea, we have to think. Yes, we have to create a new idea. For creativity, it is the best part. Okay, cerebellum, it is for creativity. And also good posture. Yes, then body balance. It will be controls our body balance, posture and is the creative movement of our body. And another one is brainstem. It will be below the cerebellum and it will be from the brain to connects with spinal cord. Brainstem is the connects with brain and with the spinal cord. Okay. It is controlling our breathing and heart rate. Okay. These are the 3 important parts in the brain. And one is spinal cord. Okay. Spinal cord is the long tube-like structure. Yes. It is the long tube-like structure. It started with from brain to spinal column. Okay, brain to spinal column. It is acts like a bridge from the brain to all parts of the body, because it will collect all the informations from the brain to spinal cord or from the brain to different parts of the body. So it acts like a bridge. Okay, and one is important role is the reflective action. Okay, it is the important of reflex action, spinal cord. Next one is nerves. Okay, in the nerve system consists of more millions of nerve cells. It is called a neuron. Okay, these are the nerve cells. In the nerve system consists of more than millions of nerve cells are there. It is called neurons. Already we have learned it has 3 types. Yes, what are the 3 types? Sensory nerves, motor nerves and mixed nerves. Yes, what are the 3 types of nerves? Sensory nerves, motor nerves and mixed nerves. Yes, so sensory, motor nerves and mixed nerves. What the sensory nerves will do? Sensory nerves carry messages from the all parts of the body to the brain or spinal cord. Okay, sensory nerves collects from all parts of the body to the brain. And the motor nerves will do the opposite action. That means it will be carries messages from the brain and it will be sent to all parts of the body. Okay, it is brain to all parts of the body, and mixed nerves will do both actions. That means the mixed nerves collect the informations or collect the messages from the all parts of the body to the brain or spinal cord, or collects the information from brain or spinal cord to the all parts of the body. Okay, it will do both actions. Okay, have you remembered this? Okay, now we can see another topic, reflex actions. Okay, the meaning of reflex action, it is the immediate process. Okay, an immediate and rapid response to a stimulus. Stimulus means specific functional of an organ. Okay, an immediate and rapid response to a stimulus. The reflect action is an immediate action. How it will be? If the messages are, when we keep our hand in the fire, what we will do? At once we will remove our hand because of heat. Yes, it is the reflect action. Reflex action. Okay. How it will be? It is not in directly, not sending the messages directly to the brain. It will be moving the messages to the spinal cord. From the spinal cord, it will be sending the final reaction. Okay. Not involving the brain. Instead of brain, spinal cord involving this reflex action. Okay. It is a reflect action occurs through the pathway. It is one pathway. What is that? Reflex arc. Okay. Reflex arc. Through this reflex arc, the reflex action will be occurred. Okay. See, the reflex action, what we will do? Listen here. Listen this picture. In this reflect arc, we have 3 parts. Sensory nerve, motor nerve and spinal cord. Okay, sensory nerve, motor nerve and spinal cord. First one is sensory nerve carries the messages. From here only we will get the heat. Okay, so the sensory nerve carries the messages and sending to the point of stimulus, and it will be sending to spinal cord. Okay, the sensory nerve sending the messages from the point of stimulus, that means acute area. Okay, from here it will be sent to the spinal cord. Okay, then the spinal cord will be receiving the messages and processing it. After it will respond at once. Spinal cord responds at once. What they will do? The spinal cord sending messages through the motor nerve. Okay. But the spinal cord getting the messages from the sensory nerve. Then spinal cord sending response to the through the motor nerve. Okay. Listen here. Sensory nerves carrying the messages to the from point of stimulus, this area, to the spinal cord, and the spinal cord receives the messages and processing it, and it will be response through the motor nerve. The motor nerve carries to the, it will be sending the message to the point where this reflect occurs in this area. Okay, so it has three parts: sensory nerve, spinal cord and motor nerve, neurons. Okay. Have you understand this reflect action? Now we will do worksheet. Okay. Take your workbook now. Worksheet number 1. Students, take your student's book now. Page number 80. Take a student's book, page number 80. We can complete time please part. Okay. Part A, match the columns. Column A and column B is given. We can write the answer now. Listen here. First question, heart. What is the correct answer? 4 chambers. Blood, red color fluid. Blood, red colored fluid. Cerebellum, balance. Cerebellum, balance. Blood vessels, pipelines. Blood vessels, pipelines. Cerebrum, thinking. Cerebrum, thinking. You can complete now this. Take our workbook now. Page number 36. Topic, human body, nervous system and sense organs. Page number 36 from workbook. Worksheet 1. Label the parts of the brain. First question, which part of the brain controls our breathing? Answer is, choices are there: cerebellum, cerebrum, brainstem, none of these. Answer is brainstem. Second question, which part of the brain would help to make someone a musician? Choices: cerebellum, cerebrum, brainstem, none of these. Answer is cerebellum. Can you find the answer, students? Okay. Third question, which part of the brain is helping you solve this worksheet? Choices: cerebellum, cerebrum, brainstem, none of these. Answer is cerebrum. Which part of the brain is helping you solve this worksheet? Answer is cerebrum. Fourth question, our brain is protected by a hard bony structure. Can you name it? What is the answer? Skull. Yes. S-K-U-L-L. Skull. Fifth question. This is the homework for you. Listen the question. Kashish says wearing a helmet while riding a scooter indirectly protects the brain. Is she right? Why? Do you understand the question? While riding a scooter, she wears helmet but indirectly protects the brain. Okay. If it is correct or not, what is the reason? Okay. This is complete the worksheet, children, and refer the book. Today we have learnt. Okay. That portions you should complete and refer it. Thank you, children.